What the fuck is going on, YouTube? This is GeoFitX, and I'm starting this channel officially. I'm out of breath because I did push-ups before the video started. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I didn't want to look scrawny on here. I'm a little guy. I look pretty decent. None of you know who the fuck I am or what the fuck value I'm gonna provide. Don't worry, I'm not gonna curse every second, but I do cuss. So if you don't like that, channel probably ain't for you. It's okay. There's other people out there that you can follow. With that being said, I have been working out for damn near 10 years now. You're probably gonna look at me and be like, you're little as fuck. What the hell did you do for 10 whole years? Well, 10 years on and off. Meaning, I might have been serious this year, and then I might have took 3-4 months off, and then I might have been serious again for another 6 months straight. I might have tried out this approach, might have experimented for 6 months doing this. Then I wanted to try this approach. Just a lot of experimentation over the years, a lot of alcohol consumption, a lot of bad habits, which prevented me from looking how I should look 10 years later. But one thing I do know is I've maintained a decent physique, living probably the worst lifestyle ever. So I said to myself, let's start this YouTube channel to force accountability. Because now you're gonna look like a dumbass on the internet starting a journey that you can't finish. So here we go with the channel. Let me explain the value that I provide here. Number one, I am not a motherfucking bodybuilder, as you can see. I am an aesthetic, slim, athletic dude. 185 pounds, 180 on a bad day, 175 on a cut, 190 on a bulk. That's my range, 5'10", nothing too fancy. But I am great when it comes to natural physiques. The thing about a lot of you fitness people is you take advice from people that are nothing like you. I am like most of you guys. I love my drinks. Smoke a little here and there. I love junk food. When I tell you I love bullshit, I love bullshit. I love brownies. I love cookies. I love binge eating at 3 a.m. I love being drunk all night, waking up and doing some more drinking. I am just like most of you guys. Not dialed in the way the bodybuilders are dialed in. For the people who just want to stay in shape and still live their life somewhat normally, that's where I come into play. I'm damn near an expert in behaving like a fat ass without actually becoming a fat ass. Let's break this down. How do you guys want to learn how to get in shape and how to get ripped and blah, 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 blah? But you guys don't even know your goals. First thing you need to do is ask your fucking self, what is it that I want? Do you want to look like a bodybuilder? Do you look at pictures of Ronnie Coleman and Rich Piana and these big, swole, huge steroid dudes and say that is exactly what I want? Or do you say to yourself, look at the basketball player, look at the boxer. I want to look like the boxer. But then you go online and start learning how to work out from the bodybuilder. And then you get all these weird ass results. Why do you get these weird ass results? Well, let's break it down. You are not a bodybuilder, but you're listening to a goddamn bodybuilder. You are not taking any type of performance enhancing drugs or steroids, but you're listening to someone who is taking massive amounts of these things. Why in the fuck would you actually expect your results to match that? It makes zero sense. Why do you even go to the bodybuilder in the first place? I'm gonna tell you why. Because the bodybuilders have dominated the fucking fitness market. When you go on Google and you type in get in shape, get a six-pack, get muscles, anything related to fitness, bodybuilders are gonna dominate it. So you being a naive retard are gonna go on Google, YouTube, and start eating this shit up. You're gonna literally take advice from a steroid motherfucker, knowing you've never took a steroid in your life and you don't plan to, and you're gonna start eating 6 to 8 meals a day as if your non-steroid body is going to process it the same way as this motherfucker. And also, by the way, this motherfucker who you're taking advice from is obsessed. Not only is he obsessed, this is his life. This is his career. This is his every waking moment of existence. And you think you're just gonna emulate his physique because you have an hour-long workout routine and you're watching his videos? No, that don't work like that. You need to follow somebody who lives like you. So when you do the shit that they do, you can actually get some fucking results. If you wanna be athletic, if you wanna be lean, if you wanna have some type of abs, I don't got the best set of fucking abs, but shit, I'll take it. If you want to have some type of muscle, some type of definition in, chest, just look healthy. I'm the guy that you gonna listen to. Everything I do is simple. I don't do shit that you have to go out of your way to do. I don't live my life caring about the gym. If you like the content, even if you don't like it, just share it. Let somebody see it. There's people out here that ask me questions, people that come up to me on the street, people that come up to me in the gym, people that DM me about my physique, my body. And it's not nothing special, but people can understand and realize that, yeah, I am disciplined to some degree. I know what I'm doing to some degree. Do me that favor, hit that subscribe button, man. I'm putting y'all on game. I got so much content to put out here. With that being said, please subscribe. This is GeoFitX. And we gonna get in shape to get. I'm a dumbass retard. Only I would do some dumb shit like that on camera. I'm not even gonna cut it out the video. Fuck it. We gonna leave that in there. It's the first blooper of my YouTube channel. Have a good one.